Welcome, and we hope you're having a great day. So, in previous videos, we've talked about setting up your BarterPay account in your accounting software, setting up customers, invoicing members, and setting up vendors. If you have not watched those videos yet, it might make sense to do so before moving on to this video. Now the question is, what about fees? How do those get recorded? What we recommend is that the fees, regardless of how the barter is utilized, should be recorded as a marketing or advertising expense. Essentially, what we're doing as your barter coach is marketing and advertising your business to the entire network of business owners, and we are selling your goods and services for you. Then, at that point, we aren't taking a fee. We're basically deferring our fee until we convert the barter credits we've earned for you back into something of value to you. Therefore, regardless of what you are using the barter for, we would suggest recording it as a marketing expense. So, in that case, you would set us up as one of your vendors. The vendor is BarterPay Canada Inc., and you might put your account number there and put our address here. Okay, so what is the expense? As I mentioned, it's an advertising or marketing expense, and so therefore, you can set the default to advertising. Next, you will have invoices come up, so then we issue you our invoice. A new bill has come in, and it's from BarterPay Canada. You can say the date is December 2024. You could get more advanced and actually set up default settings for the invoice because you're going to have a few different fees. The monthly fee, the coaching fee. You're going to have the monthly fee and the coaching fee. Let's say that was $1,000 because we did such a great job last month for you. The monthly fee is $15 because you're on Easy Pay. And we have the monthly fee of 15 barter credits here as well. Now, one thing you can do right after you process our invoice is you can process the payment that is also shown on your invoice of $15. That's been paid from your BarterPay account. For the method, you can choose check, or if you want, you can choose electronic. You're going to put in the Q, make sure it will show up as Q whatever number that would be there, and you can record the $15. At that point, you have done everything you need to do with respect to recording our invoice because, as we noted, you're on Easy Pay. And that means that on the 20th of the month, the transaction will go through. So you can see, you can record if you want to. You can actually say, okay, well, the 20th on the next month. And we're going to say January 20th. It's going to be paid from the credit card if you have that set up. I haven't set up a credit card here, so the credit card doesn't exist as an option, but I'll just choose checking. The method is electronics, and for the reference, I'll indicate that it is an EFT transfer, essentially. And then you can record the payment, even in advance on January 20th, because you know that's when it's going to come out. So you'll see here, there's a cash monthly fee of $15, a barter monthly fee of 15 barter credits, and the $1,000 coaching fee, which of course varies depending on what products or services you get on barter that month. We're using $1,000 as an example here, but just so you know, it's based on the 12.95% coaching fee that is paid out when we help you get what you need in the system. For you to pay out $1,000 in coaching fees, that means you spent around 8,000 barter credits that month. As you know, 8,000 barter credits is equal to $8,000 Canadian dollars, so that's a great savings. Now, you have seen the entire walkthrough of the process from billing to paying for our barter consulting and coaching services. If you are being billed, as you know, it means you saved money on products and services that you wanted, that you did not have to spend Canadian dollars on to access. I don't know about you, but it always seems to feel better when we save money and still get what we want. And right now, we want to thank you for being our amazing customer.